Now reduction to alkane. That means the aldehydes and ketones can be reduced to alkane. There are also here some process. Number A, Clevenson reduction. Clevenson reduction. You have read in class 11. Clevenson reduction. If an aldehyde, I am taking general aldehyde, is reduced, this is a sign of reduction, is reduced by zinc and concentrated HCl. This is a reagent, reducing reagent used in case of Clevenson reduction. Here the carbonyl group will be reduced to CH2 group and you will get CH3. What happens here? In these reactions, to convert carbonyl groups to ketone, these carbonyl groups will be reduced to CH2 group, methylene group. This is methylene group, this is methylene group, and this is carbonyl group. So, to convert aldehydes and ketones to alkanes, the carbonyl groups is reduced to methylene group. Here a carbonyl group, say R, C, double bond O, H. This is carbonyl group is reduced to CH2. Then what will happen? CH2 and H will form CH3. If you take ketone, then with same reagent, you will get R, CH2. In place of C double bond O, you will get CH2 and R. This is alkane. This is also alkane. So this is called Clevenson reduction. Another is Wolff-Kishner reduction. By this reduction also, aldehydes and ketones can be reduced to alkane. If you take an aldehyde, this is an aldehyde, general aldehyde, maybe formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, etc. At first, it is converted to hydrazone by reacting with hydrazine. We have done earlier classes. This is hydrazine. This will form hydrazone. This is hydrazone. One molecules of water will be eliminated. And this hydrazone, when heated with potassium hydroxide or sodium ethoxide, C2H5ONa, at about 450 Kelvin. This hydrazone, when heated with potassium hydroxide or sodium ethoxide in glycol medium at 450 Kelvin, then you will get RCH3 alkane. This H2 will be added to this carbon and nitrogen will be eliminated. This is alkane. You can also perform these reactions by ketones also. This is called Wolff-Kishner reduction. Another process by which aldehydes and ketones can be reduced to alkane. You see, another process, say R C double bond O H. This is taken as aldehyde, number C process. If it is reduced, this is a sign of reduction with hydrochloric acid plus red phosphorus. The reducing reagent is red phosphorus and hydrochloric acid. Then also here you will get RCH3. 4 hydrogen will be added here. If you take ketones, then same reagent you will get RCH2R, alkane. These are alkanes. So carbonyl groups have been reduced to methylene group. So by these processes you can convert or reduce the carbonyl compounds, LDLs and ketones, to alkane. Now there are another reduction of LDLs and ketones by which you can prepare pinacol. That means if ketones, say I am taking original reaction, original or individual ketone. Individual ketone, 2 molecules of ketone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus O double bond C, CH3, CH3. I am taking 2 molecules of ketone. These 2 molecules of ketone in benzene medium, when heated with magnesium amalgam, metallic amalgam, also reducing agent, then you will get an additive product like this. Like this. This is an additive product. This on acidic hydrolysis will form pinacol, 2,3 dimethyl. Sorry, I am giving here. There was CH3 group. I've done here some mistake. The mistake is this CH3 you give here, then the product is correct, and then here the CH3 and this OMG will break down from OH and OH. So 2,3 dimethyl butane, the 2,3 diol. So these are the reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones.